Databases are a core part of many modern systems, but the interface between your code and your database can end up scattered across many repositories, programming languages, and data files. The Find SQL recipe can discover queries in many types of files, and when run on the Moderne platform can cross repository boundaries. Let's see it in action. The search results are in, and what varied results they are. In this project, we find a fragment of a query assigned to a variable, as well as later on passed in a different query passed into an annotation. In this other repository, we discover SQL statements not only in code, but also saved in data files that are resources for the code. And in this repository, we see query templates passed into a JDBC template. So truly a wide variety of different query types can be discovered with only one recipe run. With other search techniques, this discovery process might have required us to ask the same question multiple times in order to get results from each of these different contexts. But with a recipe running on Moderne, complex query questions can be answered instantly.